Okay, folks. We didn't really get stumped. We didn't find anything really cool. But it's almost dark, and we got to go down this hill. Okay, there's my feet. This is actually the way we climbed up. Oh, God. We were looking for a better way down. It doesn't exist. Bravo's a little nervous about it because it's so wet. But I think I'm just going to get on my butt and I'm going to slide down and I'm going to try to catch my feet down there on those trees or that rock. Yeah. This is the way I climbed up right here. All right, Bravo. You've already been down there, so you know you can do it. He's been hyper all day. Of course, it's rained the whole time we've been out here. Non-stop. Happy New Year, 2022. We found one bullet. Oh, don't knock that off. And we found some camp lead and a bunch of shotgun shells. That's pretty much it. I hope this ain't a prelude to what 2022 is going to be like. I got a lot of hope that 2022 will be better than 2021. But this hill, I don't know. Take care, folks. I'm not going to be able to video this while I'm going down this hill because I don't have my GoPro. It was dead. My earphones are dead. They died on me out here. It's been a rotten day. God, rotten day. But that's what we do here at Digging History. We go out even on the rotten days. Or at least some of us do. And, okay, folks. I'll let you know how this goes when I get to the bottom.